Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to brake on ice. When you're driving on an icy surface, it's obviously going to be really slippery, but there are a few things that you can do to brake on ice safely, effectively, and properly. And these things will help you brake on time so that hopefully you don't get into an accident. Now, I actually have some notes down here, so that's why I'm going to constantly be looking down and up so that I can refer to my notes. Now, first and foremost, when you are braking on ice, you want to try and keep both hands on the wheel. And you should be driving with two hands on the wheel as often as possible anyways, but you should be braking with two hands on the wheel. So if you have one hand on the wheel and you start braking on ice, switch to two hands as soon as you possibly can. So get two hands on the wheel and steer as you brake. So here's the thing, if you're in a modern day car that has ABS braking, then what's going to happen is you're going to feel this like on the brake pedal, and that will allow you to steer as you brake. If you're in an older car or a car that doesn't have ABS, then you might start skidding, and that will prevent you from being able to steer. But I'm assuming that you're in a somewhat new car with ABS braking capabilities if you're watching this video. So you want to keep both hands on the wheel and steer as you brake. If you start to slide and you realize that you're going to hit something or someone, if you have ABS, you should be able to steer as you brake. Now, when you steer, you don't want to be like, woo! No. We're not talking about taking corners here. We're talking about like steering to the right or steering to the left. You want to keep it like this. You shouldn't really be turning the wheel more than about a quarter of the way at a time, because if you turn it more, what happens is you might just lose grip completely and you're just going to keep sliding straight. So if you kind of steer a quarter to the right or a quarter to the left at maximum, then it's going to allow you to hopefully veer away from the object or the pedestrian. Now, another thing when you're braking on ice is that you want to brake early and consistently. That means that you don't want to be stuck having to slam on your brakes at the last possible moment. Look ahead on the road. Keep a good following distance and brake early. You want to be able to start braking earlier than you absolutely need to. It's better to start braking a second or two early than to brake a second or two late, because if you start braking too late, you might get into an accident. If you start braking early, you'll just be able to brake a little bit easier and more smoothly. And brake consistently. You don't want to be slamming on the brakes or going in and out. You want to just consistently go into the brake pedal and ease into the brake pedal. Now, another thing to note when braking on ice is to go easy on the brakes unless you absolutely have to press them down hard. That means that when you press down the brakes hard, this is what happens. You know, you start, the ABS kicks in and you don't have full control over your braking, because when you're pressing your brakes as hard as you can or as hard as they can go, then what happens is you have nothing else to do. You can't go any deeper. If you press your brakes easily, if you go easy on your brakes, you know you can always press them harder if you need to. If you're already pressing them at full force, it's out of your control. If you rear-end the car, there's not much more you can do because you're already pressing your brakes as hard as you can. So go easy on the brakes, but remember, if you gotta slam the brakes to prevent an accident, then go ahead and press them hard, but try to go easy on them. Last but not least, you want to let the ABS braking system work its magic. The anti-lock braking system is an incredible feature. It allows you to steer, it allows you to stop and steer. It prevents you from skidding for the most part. So you want to let the ABS work its magic. Don't pump the brake pedal if you have ABS in your car. Just go easy and consistent with the brake pedal and let the ABS braking just work its magic. Steer if you need to, and that's it. In this video, I've told you how to brake on ice. I've gone over a few simple tips and pieces of advice that will help you brake safely and effectively while driving on icy patches of the road. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.